Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 97 of Building the Batmobile. In this issue, we're starting on the door. I don't know which door, but certainly one of them. There's only two. After looking at The Wail of the Siren, episode 97 from September 28th, 1967. This is the Siren, who is Joan Collins. I wasn't aware Joan Collins was a Bat villain. Cool. There we go. It's the one where Bruce Wayne is subject to the siren's sonic sound. They do like their alliteration, don't they? There we go. Bat 15. Batman temporarily out of the picture in the latter half of 2015. DC Comics got the opportunity to focus on Damian Wayne's heroic journey. Damian Wayne being Robin, son of Batman. Cool. We are Robin. Don't know what that is. Some sort of group thing. So yes, this is the left door, as it says, the left door. So in an American car, that would be the driver's door, Batman's door. All we're doing on this one is fitting the hinges to the internal part of the door. And there we go. So let me clear this all out of the way and let's get the hinges fitted. So here we are, another heavy, big, solid metal piece with obviously the bat fins that's going to line up with the back door area. We've got these two to fit. They are different in that the screw fitting for those are in different orientations. And this one goes to the top. There's two pins that locate. Like that, and a single screw will then go through and hold that in place, and the same is going to happen with the other one. So we'll get two screws out, we'll get the first one fitted, there we go. So I'm assuming that these are going to have sort of screw to go through as the hinge piece, which is why that's flat on the inside and domed on the domed. It's got the indentation on the outside, and this one's got the indentation on the lower side, the outside. That one is also going to go in place there, like so, with the screw in the middle. So once again, it's a different way of fitting doors to any previous one that I've built. Just the way it is. So there we go. That is the hinges fitted to the door. There are a couple more issues in this delivery where we're going to be continuing with the door, starting on the inside bit and the handle and stuff like that. So I'll finish that there for now, and join me next time for more of this. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.